Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, here we are given the question under root 27 divided by under root 50, and we are given the four options 5 under root 8 and 3 under root 6 divided by 10, and we have under root 1350, and the last option is 8 under root 6. So under root 27 divided by under root 50. This is our question. So this can be written as 27 under root divided by under root 50 in this way. Now under root 27 can be written as 9 into 3 under root divided by, in the same way, under root 50 can be written as 25 into 2 under root. Now we are separating these two, under root 9 into under root 3 divided by under root 25 into under root 2. Now under root 9 is 3 multiplied by under root 3, and in the same way under root 25 is 5 multiplied by under root 2. So we have 3 root 3 divided by 5 root 2. Now if we are multiplying and dividing by the same number, let's suppose under root 2 divided by under root 2. So these two will be cancelled, so it will be 1, so it will be the same. Now here we have 3 under root 3 multiplied by under root 2, so we can write it as 3 multiplied by under root 3 into 2 together divided by, in the same way, 5 under root, in the under root we have 2 multiplied by 2. So we have 3 multiplied by under root 6 divided by 5 multiplied by under root 4. Now we will write 3 under root 6 same as it is, and here we have 5 into 2 because under root 4 is 2. So 3 root 6 divided by 10. So 3 root 6 divided by 10, B is the right option. Thank you for watching this video.